So we're doing practice questions 2.16 to 2.17. Question number 1, recording purchases return. So Ken owns a shop supplying fishing tackle. During March 2018, he returned goods that he had previously been purchased on credit to suppliers. So these are the goods that had been purchased on credit the last time. So those are the goods that are returned. And then prepare the trade records required in Ken's book of accounts to record these transactions as follows. Purchases return journal, trade payable accounts in the purchases ledger, purchases return account in the nominal ledger. So I'm just going to open my purchases ledger here and my nominal ledger here. Okay, and then purchases ledger, I'll just have to write a few names, and then nominal ledger will be my purchases return account. So I think there are at least two names. So I just need one more of it. Okay. Let's look at my purchases return journal first. Okay, March 11, we have goods returned to Scott with a value of 275. So I'm just going to write to Scott. So since there's no calculation, I'm just going to put it to the second column. And then on March 18, goods returned to Taylor and Son, value at 328. So Taylor and Sons, 328. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And then on 29, goods returned to Scott. But this one here has been invoiced at 550, but we have a less of trade discount. Trade discount of 20%. So 20% of that would be 110. We have to reduce that. We have 440. We just add everything together. So we have 275 plus 328 plus 440, 1043. So this will be my total purchases returned for the month. Okay, all these purchases returned that we are actually writing down here are all of our trade payable. So that's why they have names, and then we just need to include it so that we can put the total into our purchases return. So normally purchases return are only for credit purchases. Okay, so on the purchases ledger, we have Scott and we have Taylor and Son. So for Scott, since it is a purchases return, it means that it's a decrease in trade payable. The purchases return will act as a decrease in trade payable, so it will be on the debit side of the trade payable account. So it means that we have a lesser liability. So 275 here, I'm going to write purchases return. So on March 11, and then on March 29, bear in mind we're never writing trade discount inside our ledger. So we're just going to write the net amount, which is 440. And then Taylor and Son, we're just going to write 328. 18, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm going to write purchases return. So in the purchases return account will be on the credit side. So it acts as an opposing account to your purchases, which is always on the debit side. So on March 31st, we're going to put in a total. For the month. That'll be 1043. And that's it for question number 1.